And I'm back with a new review. Welcome back to the channel, guys. My name is Joe. If you haven't subscribed yet, make sure you hit that button down below. Really appreciate it. Hope your workouts are going well too. And this week we have a new review. I know it's been a while now, but I wanted to get back into the swing of things, what this channel is known for, and it is John Meadows' new power building program, the Unity. And it is fantastic. It really, really is. So, getting into the program, all right, it is 5 days a week. It's an advanced program, okay? It's very high intensity, and it's a mix between powerlifting and bodybuilding, hence the power building part of it. And he teamed up with Dave Tate, the founder of Elite FDS, a former elite level powerlifter himself. Okay, so two guys, two incredibly smart people creating this program, and it really is amazing. Okay, so over those 5 days a week, it is split up between a push-pull and upper-lower type of sleds, a mix between the two, and it incorporates both powerlifting and bodybuilding elements. So there's max effort and dynamic effort elements into it. That's the powerlifting side of it. And the way they have it programmed out here, guys, is it actually varies from day to day. Basically, it follows compound movement. It's more isolation type movements, but again, it depends on the day. Say it's a lower body day, the first day of the week, it starts with a lying leg curl, which is more isolation, and then it goes into a compound movement, and then further into more isolation type movements. The reason he does that is because you want to get the work in. You don't want to fatigue out your CNS too much, so you're not able to do lying leg curls later on, because you are fatiguing your CNS quite a bit in these type of workouts, okay? But the way he does it is perfectly fine here. I definitely agree with. And then the program overall itself is in 3 blocks. Each block is 3 weeks, so the program itself in total is 9 weeks long. Each block, the exercises, most of them stay the same. There's some that do change on some of the days. The ones that change the most is on the back/pull day. But on the other days, your main compound movements, like your max effort or dynamic effort squats and stuff like that, that stays the same. What's mainly changing from the blocks isn't so much the exercises, it's more of the intensity and effort that you're going to be putting into it, your progression. Okay, so let's say on that dynamic day, your percentages you're going to be using progresses, the RPE progresses. All right, that's what's mainly changing from block to block. And again, in some cases, the exercises do change, but it's not an issue or anything like that. You have 3 weeks fully to get used to those exercises. You're gonna get good adaptation. If you wanted to take, let's say, a deload week at the end of those 3rd week, I don't think that would necessarily be a bad thing. I think you could incorporate that. They don't mention anything about that in the program, but I think that, honestly, you probably could, and you won't stall your progress. But that's my own opinion. If you wanted to follow it straight through and you think that you've recovered well enough and you're ready to go after that block into the next block after the 3rd week, then by all means go for it. I just don't think it's necessarily a bad thing if you wanted to take a deload after that 3rd week. Now, before I get into the program a little bit more, I do want to mention here that they do include a booklet that provides explanations for the program itself and pretty much everything that you need to know. Okay, so again, it provides an explanation of what the program is, what power building is, the different techniques you're using, such as dynamic and max efforts. It fully explains what those are. It explains a little bit of science as well, okay, how mechanical tension works, motor unit recruitment, the optimal rep ranges you're working in, all those sort of things it fully explains, so you'll have a very good idea of how this program works and the basic principles that you'll need to know. He also explains RPE. Okay, the program, as I mentioned, utilizes RPE, rate of perceived exertion, and he provides a video of the RPE scale itself. So in each scale point here, so let's say an RPE of 6 or 7, he provides a video demonstrating what that'll actually look like. This is the first time I've seen it incorporated into a program or shown in a program this way, and it makes it way easier for you to understand, to know what it actually looks like, what he's expecting out of you for it. I think it was great that he included this, or John and Dave included this. Now, getting back into the program itself, when you go through each day, there's a thorough explanation of each exercise, the number of reps and sets she's looking for, the RPE if it applies, the percentage if it applies, that's more for the max effort and dynamic effort exercise you're going to be doing, along with a link to a video demonstrating the exercise itself, so you know you're getting your form right. It's extremely important, especially on the main lifts, the compound movements, so you don't get injured in this, and they emphasize this in the program. And they also provide an example of what your sets may look like in terms of weights and the reps and stuff like that that you're going to be working with. You're not going to be left guessing here how each workout runs or works. Okay, you're going to know exactly how to get through it and exactly what they're going to be expecting from you. And overall, when it comes to the programming of it, okay, it's extremely well done. It's exactly what you expect from them. This is John Meadows, who is an IFBB pro bodybuilder and has coached thousands of people himself, knows how to program extremely well. You take his expertise, and then you just take Dave Tate's expertise, who is a former elite power lifter, okay, and has coached thousands of people himself. You combine the two of them, you know that the programming is going to be good. Okay, there's not really a whole lot else for me to say on this because of the two people that are doing it. Their expertise and the knowledge they have far outweighs the amount of knowledge that I have or most other people have. Okay, so their programming on this is bar none. There's nothing wrong with it, okay? Having said that, do I have some feedback? Yes, I do, okay? Two things. It's not on the programming, and it's more to do with the booklet itself, what's included. The first thing is that I would have liked to seen a little bit more detail in the explanation section of the booklet, okay? Specifically more that science section. It's great that they're talking about mechanical tension and motor unit recruitment, stuff like that, but I think they could include it maybe a little bit more with basic anatomy, origin, insertion, stuff like that. I think it's important to include those, to understand those, because it'll give you a better understanding of how to run the program personally. So maybe a little more detail. And then the other is exercise substitution. I mentioned this a lot of times before. There is not an exercise substitution section in this program, but I wouldn't apply this to the compound movements, the squat and the deadlift and the bench press. You're not going to really be subbing those out. I don't think that you necessarily need to. Maybe if you wanted to sub out a trap bar instead, you certainly can. I personally might do that just because I believe it works for me a little bit better. But, you know, again, if you wanted to do the deadlift, that's perfectly fine. What I'm talking about for exercise substitutions is more for those isolation movements. Like say you're doing a lying leg curl, where my gym personally does not have a lying leg curl, so I would need to do a seated leg curl. So in that case, you know, some list of exercise substitutions and explanation on how to make those substitutions, again, would have been nice to include. There's some movements, I know others that he has in there that I personally wouldn't be able to do, like a chest supported row. There's no machine in my gym personally that has that. I wish it did, but you know, instead I would do it with dumbbells. But again, a section explaining all this, a list of substitutes you can make, I think should have been included as well. But other than that, guys, that's mainly the only feedback I have. The programming is fantastic. You're not going to have a problem at all with it. If you follow it to letter, follow the demonstrations in their videos, and follow exactly what they say in their explanations, okay, you're going to make progress. You shouldn't get injured, and you're going to have, honestly, kind of a fun time with this one. It's going to be hard, all right? It's a high-intensity program, all right? But you should come out much stronger and bigger than you did before, okay? As long as, again, you follow it fully and with the explanations that they have, all right? Again, the booklet explanations they provide is good, all right? Just needs a little bit more detail. So my score for this, the final score, guys, is a 9.5 out of 10, all right? Fantastic program. Just needs to include a little bit more of those sections that I talked about. Other than that, guys, it's excellent, all right? I would highly, highly recommend getting it. You might see it as a little bit expensive. It is $100 for the program, okay? But do I think it's worth it? Yes, I do, just because of the two people who designed it and how long it took them to actually do it. It took them months of work to actually get it right and to program this, right? And believe me, you're going to be getting a fantastic, fantastic program, right? So I personally do believe it is worth the price that it is. If you don't think it is, all right, there are other alternatives out there that are great. There's one from Jeff Nippard, there's one from Barbell Medicine, all right? You can certainly go with those. Those are great programs as well, okay? But I certainly would recommend, you know, getting this one. All right, guys, that is my thought for John Meadows and Dave Tate's Unity program, right? Their power building program. It is amazing program for you to follow. Okay, definitely recommend it. If there's another program you want me to look at, you know, definitely let me know, and I will see you guys next week.